Welcome. You are embarking on a journey into the unseen dimensions of machine perception. What unfolds before you is not random noise, but a meticulously plotted voyage through the latent space of Stable Diffusion generated by the simplest of prompts. The letter B on the left and the word be, spelled B-E, on the right. We are traversing the first 1,000 seeds, tiny starting points in a vast ocean of digital potential. Each image you see corresponds to a unique numerical seed, a precise coordinate within what researchers call latent space. Imagine this as an immense, high-dimensional mathematical landscape where concepts, patterns, and forms learned by the AI reside and interconnect. The journey from one seed to the next isn't a random jump, but a step along a predetermined path through this abstract territory. Observe the transformations. Notice how fleeting suggestions of faces, architectural fragments, or organic textures might emerge, only to dissolve into purely abstract geometries or color fields. Why the letter B and the word be? Unlike prompts like dog or sunset, these letters possess no inherent, universally agreed-upon visual form. The AI cannot retrieve a simple picture. Instead, it must interpret. It draws upon the incomprehensible web of associations it formed while learning from billions of images, perhaps connecting B to the shape of the letter itself, to words starting with B, to phonetic sounds, or to completely unforeseen correlations buried deep within its training data. What we are witnessing is truly remarkable in its scale. This sequence represents just 1,000 seeds, a tiny fraction. If we were to attempt to render and view just the first billion seeds from this simple prompt sequentially, it would demand over 8 years of continuous, uninterrupted watching. The potential images we created from these two simple letters could dwarf the entire dataset used to train the AI. We are peering into a space far larger than the known visual world the AI was fed. This isn't just regurgitation, it's a glimpse into the combinatorial emergent capacity of the system, an almost infinite landscape of visual possibility sparked by minimal input. There is no randomness here in the conventional sense, but rather a structured, navigable infinity. This is the subtle poetry of computation. It reminds us that within the rigid logic and complex mathematics of artificial intelligence, there lies a universe of latent creative potential. The AI doesn't understand beauty or meaning as we do, yet through its intricate process of pattern matching and transformation, it can generate visuals that evoke precisely those things in us, the human observers. The journey continues. Each new image arrives, predictable in its calculated origin, yet often unpredictable in the specific form it takes. How many more echoes of familiarity? How many completely alien geometries? How many fleeting moments of pareidolia lie further down this path, within the trillions upon trillions of possibilities? We are merely scratching the surface of an artificial imagination. What we see is not an end, but an invitation to contemplate the vast, hidden territories of digital creation, waiting to be explored, one seed, one glimpse at a time.